Hey guys, Cyrus Twits here with Ascend Trading. Just gonna do a quick little public service announcement, guys. Um, I just got an email today. They claim it's from the Canada Revenue Agency. As most people know, that I don't just trade stocks and crypto. I actually do work for the government. So when I got this email and what I have set up as a fake email address, so when I sign up to things, I don't get spam in my actual email. It kind of set warning bells off because I've never used this for government. But the reason why I want to do this video, guys, is because this is still being used year after year after year. People are falling for this, which is why they're still doing it, and it's making them money. So let's break the anatomy of this email down. So as we look at it, guys, the first thing is, and this doesn't matter what country you're in, it's tax time, guys. So everyone's going to have taxes coming. So whatever country you're at, you're going to get hit with one of these emails, and hopefully they're going to catch someone that's going to work. So this particular one is from the Canada Revenue Agency. First warning sign is, where is the actual address? That is not a Government of Canada address. So first warning sign. Second one, they sent this email to, like, as I said, to my spam email address that I have that was created. The second is the subject line. They say CRA authorization receipt. CA. What is CA? Why didn't they use the full word for Canada? And then they don't have the full tax receipt there. Again, another warning sign. What should set red flags off if you miss those in the heading because you just clicked on the body email is the first thing is they said hi to my email address. Didn't say hi to my name. Didn't say hi to my last name even. They said hi to my email address. Next thing, do not reply to this email. Then it says, you have received this email to be notified that the CA Government Digital Service has issued a tax cancellation. And you can tell that English is not their first language, whoever is putting this one out. Because, again, CA, why didn't they just put Canada? And this government digital service, we don't have a government digital service. But again, some people are going to fall for this. Tax cancellation, there's no such thing as a tax cancellation. It's a refund. So a tax cancellation would mean that every single penny you would pay for your taxes, you would be getting back. No, this is a refund. If you had overpaid, you'd be getting what's called a reimbursement. Again, it's just simple semantics on words that, because English is not their first language, that they're not going to know. They're probably going to change it if they see this video or get schooled on it, because this is obviously a low-level group that's trying to scam right now. You received a refund for $465.29. No dollar signs. And again, this is Canada, so why would you have to put Canadian dollars? The Canadian government doesn't deal with different currencies. All taxes are paid, or would have been paid by me in Canadian funds. The Canadian government doesn't accept crypto yet, so there would have been no reason to put this there. Directly on your credit or debit card. Yeah. My debit or credit card. I don't know who uses their debit or credit card to pay their taxes when you could just pay it from your bank account. But again, if you want to claim your refund, complete the request here. A link. The CRA would not give you a link. The CRA would tell you to log in to your My Tax account and see, first off, the message that's there, and then respond to it through that. Now, the fact that they said directly to your credit and debit card, if I was to click on that link, would probably tell me a bunch of information and then ask me to put in my debit or credit card. I'm not going to click on the link, because at the very end could be a Trojan, and I already know this is fake. It means nothing to me. Now, the refund description is a P800 tax collection. Okay. Has anyone ever heard of a P800 tax collection? Sorry, tax calculation? No. Issuing date was Wednesday, December 24th at 10:15. Now, being in Canada, you're telling me that this took over 7 hours to get to me? That's what you're telling me. That through the email service, it took 7 hours to get to me. Okay. Find it hard to believe. Because again, this is all typed information. This isn't generated. Payment method online. You don't have online payment method. It's, again, just a play on words, English not being their first language. If you will not complete the required form, you will not be able to claim your refund online. Well, fine, send me a check. Because I wouldn't complete it online anyway. Please don't reply to this email, as this mailbox is not monitored. Again, they don't want you coming back, sending them spam, flooding them with junk. So you guys get these emails, please contact your local government tax agency. There is a fraud department. These are pure phishing scam setups. You put your information here, they steal your information, especially around tax time, guys. There's two ways they can do this. They can do this by stealing your information on your credit card, your Visas, MasterCards, or even from your bank cards now, and pull cash out of your account. Or the new way they're doing this, and this is what was kind of big last year and the year before, is that you put your information in here and then they file tax credits in your name and rob you for your tax credits. They might have, these credits may not even be correct, because usually what happens is the government issues you the tax refund and then does the audit on the calculations afterwards. And then it comes back that you owe this money, or what people are doing is they're actually filing their own taxes, because most people wait towards the tax deadline, and these guys hit early, like January, and we're pulling all these people's information and then filing all these taxes on them in January. So a month and a half later, when you go to file your own taxes, it's coming back as, well, you already filed. What's going on here? They've already walked off with your money for almost 6 weeks without even being detected, and people have not paid attention to what's going on. Please, guys, don't fall for this. It's very, very important. If you get this email, send it to your tax department. They have a fraud department in all of them, or a support department. Send it to them. Let's get these guys caught. Let's get these guys off the internet, okay? Also, guys, share this video. Let's spread this by word of mouth. Let's get this out there. I don't want people falling for this anymore. You're trying to do your thing and pay your taxes. Let's not get hoodwinked on this anymore, guys. Let's get this out there. So this has been Osiris Twits with Ascend Trading, guys. Remember, it's tax season. Pay your taxes. Protect yourself.